Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a unicorn garland balloon birthday decor ideas. Whew! That's a long one. As you can see in my intro, ang cute, diba? Yes. Before we head on, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share if you think this setup is worth sharing for, or playlist it will do. By the way guys, materials and measurements will be listed down in the description box if you need those information. So yes. So in this clip right here, I'm attaching the pink sheer curtains that I got it from Curtain Wonderland. Unfortunately guys, these curtains is not available online, and the white curtain that's already piped in, I got it from Kmart. So Kmart guys has varieties of curtains that they sell in their store, so you can check Kmart guys if you need this kind of materials for your decorations. Boom! Lights on. The backdrop frame that I've used here is 3 by 3 centimeters in measurements, but this backdrop frame is adjustable depend on the project or setup that you're working with. So you can change your size from 1 meter to 2 meter, and the maximum is 3 meters wide and 3 meters height. So in this setup guys, we need lots of balloons. So here I got lots of balloons from Kmart. So also Kmart guys sells mga decors like balloons, birthday banners, any type or any kind of birthday or celebration decoration. Also we need fishing line and a balloon pump. So here I'm pumping the giant balloon that I got, and the size of this one will be in the description box, so please check it out. So after pumping the balloon, of course you need to secure it by tying the in bits of the balloon or the tail, and then and then pump another balloon depend on your designs really. And the chrome balloon or metallic balloon, I use them as the accent on the balloon garland. So I pump them bigger than the usual balloon. So you will see later guys, the plain balloon or the matte balloon, I just pump them on the same sizes, like probably 25 centimeter in diameter. I believe so, yep. There are many ways of how to do a balloon garland, but this way is my way. So there's no rules of doing this balloon decoration. So here I pump and connect 2 by 2 and then connect 4 by 4. So that's pretty much it. These balloons right here that I'm connecting at the moment is the base of the balloon garland. So as the base, they need to sit on the floor. Yes. So to cut the video short, I pumped the balloon off cam. As you can see on the floor, they are now pumped, and I connect them 2 by 2, then 4 by 4, and so on. you're done connecting the balloon, so next step, grab a fishing line and then connect or tie the fishing line to the balloon, and then connect the balloons one by one to form a garland balloon. So as you can see here, I'm connecting the light pink balloon like so. You make sure guys that be gentle to your fishing line while doing this, because there is tendency that you might cut the balloon and the balloon will blow off. Yes, so it happened to me that I'm too rough and I was wondering why the balloon deflated. So that's what happened. So make sure guys, be gentle of the fishing line to avoid cutting off the balloons. So the design of the unicorn garland balloon guys is I cluster the colors of the balloon from light pink, fuchsia pink, and the purple balloons. Then I will put the accent balloon or the metallic or chrome balloon in between of the colors. So you will see later guys how I'm doing it. So here I'm just preparing the clusters, and yeah. So after doing everything like tying the balloon, so all you have to do is attach the balloon to the backdrop frame using a balloon string. As you can see there, the balloon string, it's use white color balloon string so that it will match to the white curtain fabric. And then in between of the balloons, I added smaller size of the balloons. It's not in this clip yet, but at the end of this video, you will see the small balloon that I added to the balloon garland. So yeah. So here we are now going to add the unicorn head. So this design right here, I designed it on my Silhouette Cameo 3. Silhouette Cameo 3 is a machine that has software that you can create your designs. You can create any designs that you like. So yes, so I don't have the tutorial of how I created this unicorn head. Yeah, so here I'm attaching the unicorn head using a velcro materials for craft or anything that will stick to the fabric. It doesn't really matter, but I will highly recommend the velcro though, because it sticks there and it doesn't come off. Yes. For the flowers, I don't have tutorial on this one as well, but I have another video of how to make flowers or flower backdrop, so I will link it in the description box, guys, if you want to know how I created these flowers. So the flowers that I've used here, the pink is bigger than the two flowers. So the blue and the purple flowers is smaller size than the pink one. And also I use Velcro as well to stick the flowers to the unicorn head. As you can see earlier that I peel off the sticker or the backing of the Velcro. And of course guys, our unicorn head won't be complete without the eyelashes. So also I created the eyelashes on my Silhouette Cameo 3 and the Clara birthday banner. So yes. Alright guys, that's it for my unicorn birthday decor ideas. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also guys, please ring the bell for me so that you will be notified every time I have new uploads. It's either a beauty related video or a DIY video like this one. Alright guys, that's it, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys. Mwah.